God wants you to recover from a fall. God wants me to recover from a fall. God wants you to recover from a fall. God wants your family to recover from a fall. Anumang pagbagsak, anumang maling desisyon, anumang naging dahilan para tayo madapa. Maybe it's our choice, maybe choice ng magulang natin, maybe choice ng mga ninuno natin. God wants you to recover from a fall. Ayaw ng Diyos makita na bumagsak tayo, nananatili tayo nakabagsak. God wants to lift you up. Gusto ng Diyos magpatuloy ka sa paglakad. Gusto ng Diyos na magpatuloy ka sa paglilingkod. God wants you to recover from a fall, and God is so faithful with that promise. The Lord is good. The Lord is faithful. He will not allow the temptations na pabagsakin tayo, but when we fall, when you are tempted, allow God to show you the way out. Allow God to show you how good He is. Allow God to show you how merciful He is. Allow God to show you how gracious He is. He is gracious. He is merciful. He can give you chances after chances after chances after chances. Because yes, nakita ng Lord ang ating falling, pero nakikita rin ng Panginoon ang ating calling. Do not concentrate on your fall. Concentrate on your call. The best days are ahead of you. The best is yet to come. God is a good God. Lord, patawarin mo ako, pinilit ko yung hindi naman kasya. Patawarin mo ako, Lord, alam kong mali. Tinuloy ko pa rin. Alam kong madidisplease ka, tinuloy ko pa rin. Alam kong hindi mo will, ginawa ko pa rin. Pero sabi ng Panginoon, okay, we've done it. Now we're crying. But God wants you to be reminded, I am. Jesus said, God said, I am faithful. Sometimes hindi mo alam paano mo lalagpasan, hindi mo alam kung paano mo aayusin ang family mo, hindi mo alam kung makakagraduate ka pa, hindi mo alam kung magkakaroon pa ng magandang career. Feeling mo nagkamali ka ng kursong pinuntahan, feeling mo nagkamali ka ng inaplayan, feeling mo mali ka ng pinasukan trabaho, feeling mo mali yung career na pinili mo, feeling mo wala ka ng pag-asa makapasa, feeling mo wala ka ng pag-asa magtagumpay. Pero ang sabi ng Panginoon, let me just remind you again, God is faithful. He will show you a way out so that you can endure. Ayaw ng Diyos sa sumuko, kapatid. Kaya niya pinapakita ang daan palabas sa mga bagay na ito, because God wants you to be reminded all these things that you've done, the good and the bad, can work all things together for the good of those who love God.